In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneDrive video. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. This is the secure, web-based place where you'll access your cloud storage. Make sure you're on Microsoft's site so you know your files are safe and you're using the latest features. Once you're on the OneDrive page, click Sign In at the top right. Use your Microsoft account to log in. If you have more than one account, double check that you're signing into the one where you want your video saved. If you're prompted for additional verification, complete that as well. It's there to protect your files. A reliable internet connection helps here, especially if you plan to upload larger video files in a moment. After you sign in, you'll land on your OneDrive interface, look for the highlighted entry to your files area, and click it to move into your main files view. This is essentially your home base in OneDrive, where you can see your folders, recent items, and any content that's already stored. Take a quick glance at the folder you're currently in so you know exactly where your video will be saved. If you want it in a specific spot, make sure you're viewing that location before moving on. Next, click on Files Upload. This opens your computer's file picker so you can choose the video you want to save. Select the video file from your device and confirm. OneDrive will begin uploading immediately. You'll typically see a progress indicator. Larger videos may take longer, especially on slower connections. While the upload is running, avoid closing the browser tab so the process can finish uninterrupted. When the upload completes, the video will appear in your current OneDrive folder. Give it a moment if you don't see it right away and then refresh the page. You can click the file to preview it online and depending on the format, or simply leave it stored safely for later sharing and playback. If your file name is unclear, consider renaming it so it's easy to find next time. Clear names make searching much faster. That's all there is to it. You've gone to OneDrive, signed in, entered your files area, and used Files Upload to save your video to the cloud. Keep an eye on file size and connection quality for smoother uploads, and you'll be set for future videos as well. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.